Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions Academy. If you've ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google ship code dozens of times a day, without breaking everything, the secret sauce is DevOps. In the next few minutes, I'm going to demystify DevOps fundamentals so you can understand exactly what DevOps is, and what it isn't. See how it unites developers and operations into one unstoppable team. Get a practical, step-by-step view of the core building blocks, CI/CD, infrastructure as code, automated testing, and more. By the time you finish watching, you'll know how to kickstart your own DevOps pipeline and supercharge your workplace's productivity. Ready? Let's dive in. First, what exactly is DevOps? At its heart, DevOps is a combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increases an organization's ability to deliver applications and services at high velocity. Instead of having developers build features in isolation and then throw the code over the wall to operations, DevOps teams, and the tooling they use, enable continuous collaboration. Why does this matter? Consider these game-changing benefits. Faster time to market. By integrating development and operations, you reduce the time between writing code and getting it into users' hands. Fewer deployment failures. Automated testing and continuous monitoring catch issues early, before they spiral into production disasters. Improved collaboration. When dev and ops share ownership, feedback loops shrink, and your entire team learns from real metrics and customer feedback. In short, DevOps turns the old wall between teams into a fast-flowing, two-way street of communication.